This is Chicago's very own WGN Evening News at 5.
Illinois' assault weapons ban the subject of legal arguments today at the federal appeals court in the Loop.
WGN's Kelly Davis is at Federal Plaza with more on what both sides told the judges.
The state's law banning the sale of assault weapons and capping the purchase of magazines was enacted back in January. But today's hearing was the first challenge of that ban that made it to a federal appellate court, and it was met with a large rally outside.
We need funds, not more guns.
Dozens of people came together showing support for the state's ban on assault weapons they worked so hard to pass. They say they are sick and tired of living in fear.
We have grown up in a society where gun violence is a daily occurrence and haunts us everywhere we go.
They're calling on the court to stick with them and protect their right to live in a society free of gun violence.
Our progress is under attack because the gun lobby values their agenda over the lives of people in our state.
The answer has to be, that we choose the lives of our neighbors over the greed of the gun lobby.
Inside the courtroom, 3 federal appellate judges confronted lawyers challenging the state's ban.
What's at stake is having reasonable protection to prevent against weapons that are dangerous by way of how rapidly they can fire bullets.
The courts consolidated several cases against the ban and heard oral arguments in each lawsuit, including the first that was filed by Naperville gun shop owner Robert Beavis.
Successfully putting me out of business.
The plaintiffs argue governments cannot ban weapons that are, quote, in common use. There was a lot of talk about the estimated 24.4 million assault rifles in civilian hands. But the judges raised concerns with this, saying it's not a popularity contest.
There's so many guns out there, how can they say that the 15 or 17 mass shootings where these guns were used outweigh those millions of firearms of law-abiding people have that haven't killed anybody?
It's not clear when the court will rule. It could take a few weeks, even months, but the plaintiffs are prepared to fight.
And when you bring it down to the actual facts that they have to rule on, and you compare that to what the Supreme Court has said and what the Second Amendment says, it's a very simple case. And we're very confident that we will ultimately prevail.
The state's attorney general said he felt good about today's arguments, but was hesitant to speculate on which way the court would rule. We talked to plaintiffs in the case who said they are prepared to take this all the way to the Supreme Court if needed. Reporting from the Dirksen Federal Courthouse, I'm Kelly Davis, WGN News.